In this video, we will talk about the trend watch and how you can find trending topics and stay ahead of your competitors using this amazing tool. So here, let me go through this dashboard. So this is the Google News. So we have the API from Google to connect to get all the latest news in your niche or field. You can simply type that. For example, here I have written my niche and all the news are happening here. So newness is a ranking factor. You can Google that. So if you want to get ahead of your competitor, you have to be updated with the fresh content, and fresh content actually gives boost because it doesn't have that topic difficulty because there's something new happening in the world. So it starts with the zero difficulty, and this is where you can spot that trend here. So this is the Google News, and if you just reload that, you will find all the latest happening in the AI. And for example, there is a thing that is Chinese AI is a risk for Europe. Or there is also one thing is AI hurting your ability to think, how to reclaim your brain. So this is actually very interesting, which I want to create content around. So what you can do is click on the analyze button. So here, after you analyze this, it will provide you a little summary. So this is a complete content analysis. You can simply drag to the right and upwards like that. So it will tell you what this particular content is all about, and you can get in one paragraph, and there is a blog post ideas. So you will get the three type of blog post ideas. For example, the how to, and there's a listicle, and there's a generic. So there are three types which you can get from the analysis. And here is, for example, here how to use the 30-minute rule to think first. So if you like something like that, you can simply shortlist these, any of it, and start writing about it. So there is 7 habits that make you smarter, not just faster. So this is very generic, which is cognitive atrophy in the age of AI. What is it? Why it happens and why it matters. So this is actually very great blog post which I want to write. So I will just copy this, and we will add the add to task in the near future. So we will do it, copy this and press Command plus, and there's a task option. Just mouse over to it, press Shift and enter. So it will open in the new window. Just type the task which I want to add into. I will add the categories as well in the near future. So there you go, and close that. So now next you have social media ideas. So this is the short form video which you can use. This is actually very great. To be honest, if you can't think for 60 seconds without opening it, this is for you. So this is really great. So what I will do is do the same here and press the here. Click on it and it's done. So I will put this here. So this is the hope, and this is the Twitter which I really can post that. And there's also a option of this. There's also give you an outlet what you can post on the short video. For example, show a script. Person starts a task, immediately prompts AI, then freezes when to ask explain about the output. Cut to a 30-minute rule with the paper and find 3 errors and 1 AI thinking space. So we will just do that. So this is what you can do with a short video. So there is an X post which you can select and post on the Twitter. I will add the Twitter button. We are just optimizing that Twitter. And there's a LinkedIn post which you can post. And there's an Instagram carousel. So carousel is a great way to add content in your niche. So slide 1, 2, 3, all the scripts are there. So this is something which you want to do. And this is just the Google News part. And there is also a thing called feeds. So there are feeds which you can add from any website you want. Okay, let me give you an overview. So these are the feeds that are already added from the different type of blog, and this add RSS feeds. So this is actually 2 way to find the feeds .app. So here, if you don't know any website in your niche, you can search for like dog health. So it will find the popular website that is in this. You can find dog health, something like that, and it will search that. You can simply copy this. This is from the Australian Government Department of Pets. There is a health and lifestyle, and the list will go on. You can simply check that out and copy that. But if you want to generate feeds from any website, and next feed you can generate is from a Chrome extension. Just search for RSS feeds Finder in the Google. You will find this RSS feed URL. Wherever you go, whichever website you go, you want the RSS feed from, and you can simply add that to your Chrome here. Let me give you a demo. For example, there's a website called headline.com. So let's search for the website that is ranking high on Google. So this is from the WebMD. So I want to get all the articles from here. So let's just go to the healthy pets here. That's it. And if I just mouse over, so it says nothing found. Let's go to the Kennel Club, and here says nothing found. I don't think this is. Let me go ahead. Okay, so next is you can create one. So to create one, you can simply go to RSS into my feeds. So you can create new feed from anything. For example, you can also create a new feed from the Instagram. So tips program. So let's see what profiles is actually ranking here. So this is the one which is breaks here. I will just copy this particular URL and paste the URL here. Click on generate. So it will start generating my and config. And here you will add all the details about it and paste that with add to. So this is one way. So this is another way to add your feeds, and you simply go there, analyze any topic and create a bunch of content around it. So now I think you know how to use Trends Watch to get feed from your rival social media accounts, from the web as well.